This video is going to instruct you on how to find zeros or solutions or x-intercepts of a particular function in the graphing calculator. First, let's go to y equals and let's put in some function. I'm going to put in a function that is a parabola, so I'm going to put in negative because I want it to open down. 1/5 x, and I'm going to put my squared because it is a parabola, plus 4. Now that parabola, we know from graphing techniques, is going to open down. It's going to shrink or become wider, and it's going to be pushed up 4. So now when I hit my graph, I'm going to see that graph of that parabola. And I want to find my x-intercepts. I want to find the zeros or the solutions of this function. So the way I'm going to do that is go to my second, calculate. On second calculate, I am finding a zero, number 2. You can see where my cursor came in on the screen, and I'm just going to cursor off of that so you can see it better. My calculator is prompting me to give a left boundary. That means left of where the 0 occurs. So if I'm looking at my x-axis, of course left is this way, right is this way, and I'm going to pretend I see a imaginary, it's not there, imaginary vertical line where I'm moving the hand now, and that goes right through the x-intercept or the 0. So I'm going to cursor over to the left-hand side, not lower, not below, it just happens to be below the x-axis in this case. I'm going to go ahead and hit enter. Now it's asking me for a right boundary. So I'm going to cursor to the right using my cursor keys. Notice that I have to cursor across or above the x-axis. If I did not do that, it's going to give me an error of no sign change. Here again is that magic place, that magical vertical line. I was here for left, I'm here for right. I'm going to hit enter. And it says guess. Yes, I do want it to find out exactly where that is. It's an amazing guesser. And I'm going to hit enter, and I find that 0 is located at negative 4.47, etc. You cannot find these exact zeros by using that trace function, which some students want to use. Now, we're also going to have to find the other one over here. So I'm going to go through that same exact process again. Second, calculate. Number 2 is 0. Left bound. Well, this isn't the 0 I want. I want this 0 or x-intercept, so I'm going to cursor over so I'm close to it. Keep in mind I have that imaginary boundary that's a vertical line that would drop right through this 0, right here. And again, left, I'm to the left of that, so I'm going to hit enter. I'm going to cursor to the right, and you'll see my cursor go over or across the x-axis to get right bound. And again, here's that imaginary vertical obstacle, that imaginary vertical line. I have to get to right of it. I'm going to hit enter. Then I'm going to hit enter again. And it's going to tell me that other 0 is located at 4.47.